Arise, women and men, we've got a do-it-yourself. It's time to become independent of the nail salon. And we've got here false nails. I ordered these from Shein.com. I think I paid maybe $4 for the nails. They're blue nails. I don't know, this lighting is a little dark, but yes, the nails are blue. And I've got a little rhinestone we're going to add to the nails. Aren't they just beautiful? Yeah. And we've got the nail glue. Just put it up here so you can see what type of nail glue it is. And it's so dark. Yeah, there we go. It's called Nailing Quick Glue. And we've got hardest nails we're going to use under the nails. And we've got the straightening nail polish remover, which is good for straightening your nails before you do your nails, so that when you remove the nails, that your nails don't strip up and tear up. Okay, and these are my nails before. Everything looks so dark, but yes, these are my nails before, and here we go. Okay, so far I've got 3 nails on. As we can see, it's coming along just fine. And we're going to do that 4th nail, and we're going to do a little couple drops. And here's the nail here. This one. There we go. Oh, here we go. Let's see. I see that while we're doing it. I don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to include your cuticle. Always push the nail back away from the cuticle, just back enough, where it's, you may want to push it a little further, but it's best to not attach that cuticle to that glue. Then you'll start ripping up your cuticle and you'll have ugly marks on your cuticle. Yes. There we go. Someone, don't want to say good morning. Good friend of mine, which is another thing. Sort of. Something like that. Yeah. And there we go. We got 4 nails on. So, good morning, it's Tuesday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to continue our nails. I'm totally natural. And, so do it yourself. Let's be more independent, ladies. Save some money. Let's get down to the crunch. And we've got to, we still want to look beautiful. Look beautiful and not spend a lot of money. So, I'll see you on the other side. We're going to complete this process. And these are the finishing touches. Rhinestones. Don't forget to donate to the channel and clean up Ari'ze and the number 3. Thank you, and you have a blessed week. Okay, ladies, and here is the finished product. Yeah, the rhinestones are hitting it. There we go. Put a little gloss, a base coat of clear coating, and there we go. Do it yourself. Clean up Ari'ze. 3 to donate to the channel, and don't forget your body butter. That's what's missing. All I gotta do is add a little body butter on my nails after they dry, and on my hands. On my fingers, and we're all good to go.